On the off chance that you're searching for NEM cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and for the most part need to know where the costs of NEM, XEM, will go from here on out. We will sort of break down the past costs of NEM, XEM, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly essentially remember that you really want to take this forecast and each really other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts, which in a real sense is very huge. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will in a real sense make an honest effort. We should begin in an especially enormous manner. NEM past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the kind of current cost of NEM is $0.029, and XEM is right now positioned number 114 in the especially whole crypto-biological system, or so they certainly thought. The course supply of NEM is 8,999,999,999 with a market cap of $263,051,953, or so they for the most part thought. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 3.63% in its ongoing worth, or so they by and large thought. Assuming we look at the truly current market cap of the XEM with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down in every practical sense, huge way. NEM by and large is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Or so they basically thought. The XEM for the most part is down to nearly 3.53% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, or so they thought. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could really have major areas of strength, for pretty however, we don't basically feel that it would have beneficial resource in lovely present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of XEM diminished by 30.641%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $0.013 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a generally excellent purchase and open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is near 23.77%. And the cost flowed from a really least typical cost of $0.038 to greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0.041 in the beyond 90 days, or so they explicitly thought. In most recent 4 months, NEM essentially has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we believe that comparative pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, which explicitly is very huge. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of NEM is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, or so they thought. The coin explicitly is up by 0.71%. With the greatest kind of typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.030, and the base typical value of was around $0.026 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future NEM cost expectations. XEM conjecture, by applying kind of profound computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of NEM in a significant manner. We give our altogether sort of most extreme authentic information for the XEM coin, which sort of incorporate numerous boundaries like truly past value, NEM market cap, NEM volume, and not many more. In the event that you truly are looking to especially put resources into advanced digital currencies, and for the most part need essentially great profit from your ventures, generally make a point to generally peruse our expectations. NEM value expectation 2023. The cost of NEM is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.034 in 2023. The NEM cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.038, with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $0.035 all through 2023. NEM value expectation 2024. The cost of NEM in a real sense is anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at a truly least worth of $0.050 in 2024. The NEM cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.059, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.052 all through 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely huge, or so they fundamentally thought. XEM value conjecture for 2025. The cost of NEM basically is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at the very least degree of $0.074 in 2025. The NEM cost can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0.087, with the typical cost of $0.076 all through 2025. NEM XEM value expectation 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of XEM in 2026, the cost of NEM in every way that really matters is by and large anticipated to fundamentally reach at an especially least degree of 11 cents. The XEM cost can basically arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest degree of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents, which is genuinely huge. In a genuinely significant manner, NEM value expectation 2027. The cost of one NEM for the most part is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach at an, in every way that really matters, least degree of 16 cents in 2027. The XEM cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of 19 cents, with the truly normal cost of 16 cents, all through 2027. NEM value expectation 2028. NEM cost is figured to, in every practical sense, arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 22 cents in 2028, which is very huge. According to our discoveries, the XEM cost could generally arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 27 cents, with the typical conjecture cost of 23 cents, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. NEM XEM value expectation 2029. According to the figure in specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of NEM truly is supposed to reach at least value worth of 33 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The XEM cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 39 cents, with the typical worth of 34 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. NEM value conjecture 2030. NEM cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 47 cents in 2030. According to our discoveries, the XEM cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme truly conceivable degree of 57 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 49 cents incredibly. NEM XEM value expectation 2031. As per our especially profound specialized examination on exceptionally past value information of XEM in 2031, the cost of NEM is determined to, in every way that really matters, be at around an extremely least worth of 70 cents. The NEM value worth can arrive at a limit of 82 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 72 cents in United States dollars. NEM value expectation 20